Big hand, she has come fifth. The next is all the winners can be on one side so that we'll take a photograph at the end. Okay. Number 4 is Vilinza Hensipi 2085. Congratulations. Okay. The third, now we come to the second runners up. That is Linti Jinkerman K. Jarin 2119. Linti K. Jarin Elang Waka Damichek. Damichek. Ma President. Congratulations. First runners up is Jidalin Timpun 2082. Congratulations. Elang Wakachek. Congratulations. And the winner is Dublin Walang 2139. A big hand for her. 2139 Dublin Walang. Congratulations. Let's vote, Ma President. Now we call our ex-president, Ma, joining today to kindly come forward. So coming to the consolation prize first, the fifth place goes to Keobok Lang Lingdok Nong Lai 1030. Keobok Lang Lingdok Nong Lai 1030. Lingdok Nong Lai 1030. Congratulations. Somai Thapti Balong Basao Day Joel John Ramsey 1085. Joel John Ramsey 1085. Ba Sobha Banyang Shinishwa Shani Chakanikaliya Joel John Ramsey 1085. Balong Balai Day Sharai Lang Rintathiang 1062. Sharai Lang Rintathiang 1062. Congratulations. Malongba R, the second place goes to Marshall Wanyang 1055. His race time of Sharai Lang was 16.23. Marshall Wanyang is 16.09. And the winner is Babit Dakar 16.08. Time is 16.08 and MIP number is 1051. Babit Dakar, congratulations. Smabai Thapti Kame. Congratulations. Sobha kini kita ke kategori Sobha yang wan lang suang ni ya sendur lang badi ex-president jongi di kategori jongi male 5K category. The fifth winner is Iba Mary Shulai. Okay, just a minute. Shulai bib number 4043 ila kapor jong ide 1.0245 seconds. Next today, number Sao today, Brilliant Kharbuli, 1.02 20 seconds. 1 hour, 2 minutes, 20 seconds. To third place goes to, so now we'll come to the third place, Rolinda Wanyang. Rolinda Wanyang, time is 1 hour, 51 seconds. 1 hour 51 seconds. Rolinda Wanyang 4047. Congratulations, Kom. Rolinda Wanyang. So slight mix up in the certificate. Yeah? Baar Day Mina Mary Walang 57 minutes 41 seconds. Mina Mary Walang 57 minutes 41 seconds. 4050. And the winner is Juliana Wanyang, 57 minutes 14 seconds, 4048 chess number. Congratulations, Kom. Juliana Wanyang, 57 minutes 14 seconds. Tangi khari kini boro ki category jangki above 50 years bas hoba banya yang angtu bani. They coming to the 5th place goes to Nova Lingdo, 53 minutes 41 seconds. 53 minutes 41 seconds, 3088. Nova Lingdo. 4th place is Pratap Das, 53 minutes 22 seconds. Pratap Das, bib number 3087. Congratulations. Semua bayar tahap ketiga gini. Ba Long Balai Day, Bante Scam Kongwir, Sanpulai minute Lai second, bib number 3100. Bante Scam Kongwir, 53 minutes 3 seconds, 3100. Congratulations, Ba. Second place, R1EO Basaumat. R1EO Basaumat, 49 minutes 30 seconds. For more than 50 years, it's a very good time. 3099 his bid number, his chess number. R1EO Basaumat. And the winner is Jailin Singh Lingdo, 48 minutes 38 seconds, 3095. 48 minutes 38 seconds, 3095. Congratulations, Ba. Kumjong akar padi gitu ki kategori baru berjawab mentan. Nova Lingdo, Pratap Das, Bante Scam, R1EO, Soba Banwan has stage ban Shandulang ban I. Day, Iban Jalin Kongwir, Sanpusau minute 57 seconds. Sanpusau minute, Sanpunyo second, 6076 chess number. Congratulations, Kong. Next is 4th place, Jensi Ramdi, 51 minutes 45 seconds, 6073 chess number. Jensi Ramdi, 51 minutes 45 seconds. 3rd place is Pernai Khandai, 50 minutes 50 seconds, 50-50, 6072. Pernai Khandai. 2nd place is Balasiudor Pathau, 49 minutes 39 seconds, 6090 chess number. Balasiudor Pathau. And the winner is Marvin Gilas Ramsey, 46 minutes 57 seconds. Our second is Balasiudor Pathau. Balasiudor Pathau, 49 minutes 39 seconds. Balasiudor Pathau, 49 minutes 39 seconds. And the winner is Marvin Les Ramsey, 46 minutes, 51 seconds. Marvin Les Ramsey. So I request all the winners of the 10K open category female to kindly come forward for a group photo. 10K open category male. The 5th place goes to Dabkupa Rapsang, 38 minutes, 29 seconds, 51.5122. Chest number, Dabkupa Rapsang, 38 minutes, 29 seconds. On the 4th place is Parkhat Bha Suchiang, 37 minutes, 42 seconds. 37 minutes, 42 seconds. In the 3rd place is Taibok Lang Biam, 37 minutes, 18 seconds. 37 minutes, 18 seconds for 10 kilometers. Second place is Rangli Jonathan Pathau, 36 minutes, 51 seconds. 36 minutes, 51 seconds. And the winner is Hasi Binson Marwin, 36 minutes, 18 seconds. The fastest among all. 5175 chest number. Congratulations, Hasi Binson Marwin. Now I request all